Imagine a world where the dream of flying cars has become a reality. A world where traffic jams are a thing of the past, and our skies are filled with vehicles soaring effortlessly from place to place. But how would this new era of transportation change our lives? What challenges would we face, and what benefits could we reap? Flying cars have long been a staple of science fiction, from The Jetsons to Blade Runner. But now, we stand on the brink of turning this futuristic vision into reality. Let's explore what our world might look like with flying cars. The concept of flying cars has always symbolized freedom, adventure, and technological progress. But to make this dream a reality, we need to overcome significant scientific, engineering, and regulatory challenges. Creating a flying car involves merging the best of automotive and aeronautical engineering. From vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, capabilities to advanced propulsion systems, let's delve into the technology that could make flying cars possible. Flying cars need to be lightweight, energy efficient, and capable of safe, controlled flight in urban environments. Innovations in electric propulsion and autonomous navigation are key to achieving these goals. If flying cars became a reality, our daily lives would undergo a dramatic transformation. From reducing commute times to easing congestion in urban areas, the potential benefits are immense. Flying cars could revolutionize urban planning and infrastructure, reducing the need for extensive road networks and freeing up space for green areas and pedestrian zones. The travel and tourism industry would be profoundly impacted by flying cars. Imagine being able to visit any destination in the world quickly and conveniently, without the hassle of traditional air travel. Flying cars could democratize travel, making it more accessible and efficient. However, this would also require new regulations and infrastructure to ensure safety and manage air traffic. The integration of flying cars into society would drive technological and medical advancements. From rapid medical evacuations to efficient supply chains, the benefits could be life-saving. Flying cars could revolutionize emergency medical services, allowing for quick transport of patients and supplies. This technology could significantly improve healthcare access, especially in remote or underserved areas. With great power comes great responsibility. The introduction of flying cars into society would bring significant social and ethical challenges. We must consider the implications of flying cars on privacy, security, and social dynamics. The potential for misuse, inequality, and the need for new regulations would require careful consideration and societal consensus. While flying cars offer numerous benefits, they also pose risks and dangers. Misuse, accidents, and unintended consequences could lead to significant harm. Implementing flying cars safely requires stringent regulations, education, and oversight. Balancing convenience with security is crucial to prevent accidents and ensure public safety. The future of flying cars holds immense potential for human advancement. With responsible implementation, we could harness this technology to overcome challenges, enhance quality of life, and unlock new horizons. Flying cars represent the next step in human evolution and technological progress. They challenge us to think beyond our current limitations and envision a future where the sky is no longer the limit. In conclusion, flying cars could revolutionize our world, offering unprecedented opportunities and challenges. As we stand on the brink of this potential reality, let us consider the implications carefully and strive for a future where technology enhances our collective potential. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of human potential and flying cars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content about the future of humanity.